At some moments in our lives, darkness seems to be everywhere. You may feel broken because of failure, loss, or loneliness. However, have you ever thought that these challenges may be opportunities for growth? When we learn to accept all experiences, even inner pain, true peace and wisdom will be revealed. Even if life is full of difficulties, it still has the potential to turn pain into strength. When you no longer resist the darkness of your heart, but accept it as a part of nature, the peace of your heart begins to emerge. We can't control the external environment, but we can control our own hearts. When we focus on inner stability, the wind and rain of the outside world will not easily shake us. Through meditation and introspection, you can have a deeper understanding of your own needs and learn to let go of your past obsessions. Pain becomes a teacher, guiding inward to find real strength. Everyone has the essence of light, but it may be obscured by shadows. Light is not sought from outside, but dug out from the heart. When you listen carefully to your heart, learn to respect and love every part of yourself, including those parts that have felt ashamed or regretful. The low tide is an opportunity to reshape yourself. Pain is not eternal, but a natural part of life. When you embrace this impermanence and accept change, you will no longer be afraid of failure or loss. Because every end point is a new starting point. There is no need to rely on external light sources, because the real light lies in your inner wisdom. When you are lost in the dark, you can find the guiding light of your heart by observing your emotions and thoughts. Have you ever denied yourself because of the evaluation of the outside world? And are you lost because of other people's expectations? All the answers are not in the outside world, but in the depths of the heart. When you begin to believe in your own ability and embrace imperfection, life will become more complete. To accept yourself is not only to focus on your strengths, but to face your weaknesses bravely. All kinds of actions are like dream bubbles. Our shortcomings, pain and fears are all ephemeral phenomena, not eternal existence. When you learn to turn a critical perspective into a compassionate perspective, you can not only reconcile with yourself, but also bring more warmth and support to others. This power of accepting allows us to be reborn in love. Loving yourself is not selfish, but the foundation of being kind to the world. When you treat yourself with compassion, your heart will become soft and peaceful, and naturally show kindness to others. Self-accession can not only heal the inner world, but also affect the interaction with the world. When you learn to pay attention to your inner self and see the essence of external things, the pain will be reduced. You may not be able to control all the situations, but you can choose how to face them. When dealing with external challenges with a stable mind, difficulties are no longer an obstacle, but an opportunity to promote growth. In the journey of life, we may encounter setbacks and confusion, but these experiences are not meaningless. They are the nutrients of inner wisdom, making us more complete and stronger. In this journey of self-awareness, find the light that belongs to you and embrace the world with compassion.